So boys, before we start the video, do yourself a favor and click the link in the description to get the free and best ebook with the only secret trick to leave the friend zone. What makes a man attractive? 1. A man that has direction. Regardless of whether it is his commitment to a vocation, or how he chips in his time nighttime, when a man has direction and devotion, it is fantastically alluring. 2. A man that can fix things. It isn't so much that we would rather not be confident in light of the fact that most ladies esteem autonomy, it's simply that when a man can fix things, it is unquestionably attractive, and also, prudent. 3. A man that deals with us in bed. A lady observes it exceptionally satisfying when a man thinks often about her requirements in bed. A genuine man doesn't simply siphon, shoot and turn over, yet rather deals with making a lady extremely fulfilled prior to throwing in the towel. 4. A man with habits. Knowing how to address a senior, act appropriately around a mother, and eat without looking like a savage is continuously engaging for a lady. 5. A man that is certain, yet at the same not presumptuous. Certainty is so hot. However, a man with a Kanye-sized inner self isn't. A man that realizes he is great at something, yet doesn't constantly want to lecture, is what a lady truly cares about. 6. A man that likes to giggle, and makes us snicker. Snickering has been demonstrated to make individuals live longer, more joyful lives. Assuming a man can make a lady chuckle and snicker alongside her, that is a twofold success. 7. A man that can confess to his mix-ups. We're discussing little slip-ups like getting us lost, and serious mix-ups like failing to remember birthday celebrations. Assuming a man can confess to his bad behavior and recognize that he is, truth be told, just human, that is extremely engaging. 8. A man with knowledge. A PhD isn't required. However, a man that can stand his ground in anything subject he is energetic about, is so alluring. Additionally, books are attractive all the time. 9. A man that isn't anxious about responsibility. Ladies are worn out on hearing that the explanation we can't observe an astonishing relationship is that men fear responsibility. That is bull. A man that isn't anxious about saying, okay, I will be yours, and I guarantee to remain yours until we concur in any case, is the most appealing. 10. A man that can shock us. This isn't simply pulling impromptu get-togethers or returning home with blossoms. This is having the option to take out astonishing moves that leave us feeling like we are equipped for everything under the sun.